Copper Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Copper CRM are in the description below. In this video, we're reviewing Copper, a business automation tool designed specifically for Google Workspace users who need a seamless CRM solution. If you rely on Gmail, Google Calendar, and Drive for daily operations, Copper integrates effortlessly, eliminating the need for manual data entry while keeping everything organized within the Google ecosystem. One of Copper's biggest strengths is its zero data entry approach. It automatically pulls information from emails, calendars, and contacts, saving time and reducing human error. This is a huge advantage for sales teams, marketing professionals, and business owners who want to focus on relationships rather than admin work. The Chrome extension makes it even more accessible by allowing you to manage leads, track deals, and update contacts directly within Gmail. The pipeline management feature offers a drag-and-drop interface, making it easy to visualize and move deals through different sales stages. You can set up automated reminders, follow-ups, and task assignments, ensuring no lead falls through the cracks. Workflow automation also helps streamline processes by triggering actions based on predefined conditions, such as sending personalized emails or notifying team members when a deal progresses. Copper's reporting and analytics dashboard gives deep insights into sales performance, revenue forecasting, and team productivity. Custom reports help track KPIs, and built-in AI-powered suggestions provide actionable recommendations to optimize workflows. It also integrates with Slack, HubSpot, QuickBooks, and Zapier, expanding its functionality beyond Google Workspace. For businesses that need mobile access, Copper's iOS and Android apps allow users to manage contacts, update deals, and collaborate with teams on the go. Security is also a priority, with GDPR compliance and enterprise-grade encryption ensuring data protection. Pricing is competitive, offering scalable plans suitable for startups, SMBs, and larger teams. If you're looking for a Google-native CRM with automation features that simplify contact management, sales tracking, and workflow optimization, Copper is a top choice. Check the links in the description to explore it further.